now we had been discussing about the rational number. Before that we had discussed what the natural number is, what are the integers, and what are the whole numbers. And after that we have discussed a rational number. What is a rational number? On the last lecture only. Okay. So what the rational number is? So the number which can be written in this form p by q, where this q is not equal to 0 and p and q are any two integers. So that type of number is called as a rational number. We had seen it. Okay, fine. So the number which can be written in this form p by q form, this number is called as a rational number. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss how to find a few numbers, few rational numbers in between two natural numbers. How to find? So today we are going to discuss how to find few rational numbers between two natural numbers or two integers. Doesn't matter. Okay, first we will discuss about two natural numbers only. Let's say we need to find out five rational numbers in between two natural numbers 1 and 2. Let's say like this. This is the number line. Here is your 0, here is your 1, and here is your 2. So you are going to find out five different numbers, five rational numbers. So here you are going to find out five rational numbers in between two natural numbers 1 and 2. Okay, no problem. Now how can we find out? There are two ways to find out that five rational numbers in between two natural numbers. Now the first way which you are familiar with is that means to find five rational numbers in between 1 and 2 is that just first rational number I am going to write here R1. Okay, fine, no problem. So rational number first is equal to rational number 1 is equal to, just we are going to do one thing. Which are the two natural numbers in between? We need to find out rational numbers that are 1 and 2. Suppose in general we can say them R and S. These two are the what? Natural numbers or any numbers. Okay, these two are R and S are what? These two are natural numbers. So we are going to find out the first rational number in such a way that R plus S divided by 2. R plus S upon 2. So first R, the value of R is 1. So it is 1 plus S, the value of S is 2. So 2. R plus S is nothing but 1 plus 2 divided by 2. It is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, no problem. So this is your what? First required rational number. First required rational number in between 1 and 2. That might be here. Okay, so it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. This is the first number. Okay, no problem. Now what we are going to do? We will repeat the procedure in the similar manner only. How? So first here we have completed first rational number. Now second rational number R2 is equal to, again the formula will be same, R plus S divided by 2, but here the values of R and S you can change. Suppose if we take the value of R is 1, okay, no problem. So now in this case we have to take the value of S instead of 2 is 3 by 2. So what will be our formula? It will become R plus 3 by 2. R plus 3 by 2 upon 2, which is equal to R is 1. 1 plus 3 by 2 upon 2. Okay. Now how we add these two terms? 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to. So we will cross multiply this 2 to 1, or just make denominator and numerator same of this term, means 2 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here I have multiplied. This 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. So here I have multiplied and divided by 2 to whole term. So it is 2 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Now the denominator is same, 2. Take it common. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 by 2 is the next number which will lie in between 1 and 2, which is the rational number, P by Q form number. So 1 plus 3 by 2 upon 2. Now 1 plus 3 by 2, explanation of 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. No problem. Now see. This is the explanation of 1 plus 3 by 2. So here 1 plus 3 by 2 is here. So it is 5 by 2 upon 2. This is 2 upon 1. So we can write it as 5 by 2 into 2 upon 1. If we do invertendo, then it will become 2 by 1 is becomes 1 by 2. So it is equal to 5 by 4. This will be your next rational number. Okay, fine, no problem. Then third rational number, how can we find out? Third rational number, R3 is equal to, now take this as R and this as S. So it will become 3 by 2 plus 2 divided by, it's 2. So 3 by 2 plus 2, you can do it in that way. Okay, 3 by 2 plus 2, 2 2s are 4. So 3 plus 4 divided by, this is 2, divided by 2. No problem. So it is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 by 2 divided by 2. So it will become 7 by 4. No problem. So 5 by 4 and 7 by 4. 5 by 4 is the number in between 1 and 3 by 2. 5 by 4 is the number between 1 and 3 by 2. 1 and 3 by 2 we have taken here. And 7 by 4 is the number in between 3 by 2 and 2. So 3 by 2 and 2. Here is the 7 by 4. Here is the 7 by 4. Have you got all that things? Okay. In the similar manner, you can find so many numbers. Now, we will add them 5 by 4. This is 5 by 4, correct? And this is 7 by 4. Now, we will add 5 by 4, 3 by 2, divided by 2. 3 by 2 plus 7 by 4, divided by 2. 1 plus 5 by 4, divided by 2. 2 plus 7 by 4, divided by 2. So many numbers, infinite numbers you can find here. In case of this rational number, here we have just asked to find out 5 rational numbers. Okay, no problem. Now this is the regular method, which is the first method, to find out the rational numbers in between any two other numbers. Suppose I have given 9 by 4 and 11 by 4, these two numbers, and I need to find out a rational number in between these two numbers, So this is my R and this is my S. Okay, I'll write here yes, this is R. So R and S. So if we need to find out a rational number in between these two numbers, then what we'll do? Rational number is equal to R plus S upon 2, which is equal to 9 by 4 plus 11 by 4 divided by 2. So it is equal to, denominator is same, so we can add numerators. 11 plus 9 is 20, 20 upon 4 divided by 2. So it is equal to 4, 5 are 20, so 5 by 2, rational number 5 by 2 itself. Okay, so 5 by 2 is the rational number which lies here in between 9 by 4 and 11 by 4. Okay, getting it? This is the regular method. This is what? Regular method to find out the rational number in between two given numbers. Now, let's move towards the second method. Second method is what? Same question is there. If suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 1 and 2. We need to find out 5 rational numbers in between 1 and 2. How many? 5 rational numbers. How many? 5 rational numbers in between these two numbers, that is nothing but 1 and 2. Okay, no problem. So what you are going to do here, just see how many numbers we need to find out? 5. So 5 plus 1 will take here. Okay, fine, no problem. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so we need to mention we need to mention this 1 and 2. 1 and 2 in terms of 6 denominator. In terms of 6 as a denominator. So the number whose denominator will be 6 and mention the 1 in that term. So 1 is equal to its denominator should be 6. Denominator should be 6. So to get this number, this whole number as 1, how much will be its numerator? How much will be its numerator? It should be 6. And what about 2? We will write here same. Denominator as 6. Denominator is 6. Here also denominator is 6. Okay, no problem. Now to get the answer 2, how much will be my required numerator? It should be 12. If you are not able to find out this numerator, then just multiply this 6 to 2. 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6. And just write here 6 2s are 12. So we'll write here 12. So this 12 by 6. 1 can be written in this form 6 by 6. 2 can be written in this form 12 by 6. Consider, instead of these 5 rational numbers, we need to find out 9 rational numbers. 9 rational numbers. So what we will do? We will do one thing. Just write this 9 in this form. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. No problem. So mention your 1 and 2 in the form of a number whose denominator is 10. So 1 is equal to, its denominator will be 10, and 2 is equal to, its denominator will be 10. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So if you divide this 20 by 10, you will get the answer 2. And if you divide 10 by 10, then you will get the answer 1. 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. So write numbers in between 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. We'll see it here. Okay, procedure have you got? Now what we are going to do? 5 numbers they told us. So how can we find out? This is 6 by 6, this is 12 by 6. So just write the number which is coming after 6, natural number, which is 7. So 7 by 6, then 8, 8 by 6, then 9, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. So these are the 5 required rational numbers which are coming in between 1 and 2. So there are two methods. First method is what? R plus S divided by 2. First method is what? R plus S divided by 2. But there we have to do a lot of calculations. And here no need to do that much calculation. Just we need to take a number. How many numbers of rational numbers we need to find out? These many. So just add 1 to it and mention the given two numbers in terms of the numbers whose denominator will be plus 1. This plus 1. This plus 1. Okay. So fine. There are two methods to find out the rational numbers in between two given numbers.